Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to balance this classic gin cocktail so it's perfectly tart, sweet, and refreshing every single time. For a classic Bramble, we're using gin, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, and the star of the show, raspberry syrup. First, we build our base. 2 ounces of gin. You can replace the gin with vodka if you prefer. And half an ounce of simple syrup. Fresh lemon is non-negotiable here. It cuts right through the sweetness of the raspberry. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Give it a good shake with crushed ice, about 10 to 15 seconds, to get it ice cold and properly diluted. This is the Bramble part. We use crushed ice specifically because we want that beautiful bleed when we add the liqueur. Garnish it up. Usually it's used creme de mure, but today we are going to make a variation with raspberry flavor. Slowly pour your raspberry syrup right over the center. See that marble effect? That's exactly what you're looking for. And there you have it, the ultimate raspberry bramble. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments if you went with gin or gave the vodka a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drink recipes. Cheers!